Hey Dad, did I break my fast?
What?
So I was just taking a shower when all of a sudden I looked up at the ceiling, but I forgot to close my mouth. So all of the water that was coming down from the shower was getting inside my mouth. So did I break my fast?
Did you swallow the water?
No, I tried to spit out most of it, but some still managed to get inside.
Was it by accident?
Yeah.
Then you're good.
But then I slipped and fell straight into the kitchen.
What?
When all of a sudden I looked to my right and there's this juicy shawarma sandwich. I couldn't resist, so I started looking at it and admiring it. So, did I break my fast?
Did you eat it?
No.
Then you didn't break your fast!
But then I felt this push from behind, so I tripped and fell and my face directly hit the shawarma sandwich.
What?
But when I fell on the shawarma sandwich, my mouth was already open, so when I got up, the shawarma was literally stuck to my teeth.
Yahya, are you being serious?
But then I tried removing it, but in the process, I slipped and fell on some delicious garlic sauce.